Morning, students. In previous class, I had taught you about the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS rule means performance of the operations of brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in that order. You also know how brackets are to be operated. First of all, numbers within a small brackets are simplified. After that, we operate to curly brackets, and at last we simplified big brackets. And one example I had solved in previous class. Now I am going to solve exercise 1.5. Write the expressions for each of the following statements using brackets. कोष्ठक का प्रयोग करते हुए निम्नलिखित कथनों को व्यक्त करें. Statement is 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. Answer question number 1 of exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1 says 4 multiplied by the 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2, by the sum of 9 and 2. This is your question. The statement is 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. We write sum of 9 and 2 for 9 and 2, sum of 9 plus 2. We can write for the sum of 9 and 2, we can write 9 plus 2, and 4 is multiplied. So we can write as 4 into 9 plus 2. This statement states that 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2, we can write 4 into 9 plus 2. 4 into 9 plus 2. The question is in words, and the answer will be as 4 into 9 plus 2. 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. The sum of 9 and 2, we can write 9 plus 2, and 4 is multiplied. So we multiply by 4. Answer 1. Answer 2, difference of 18 and 6 divided by 4. 18 और 6 के अंतर को 18 और 6 के अंतर को 4 से डिवाइड करना है, भाग देना है. दिस इज ए स्टेटमेंट. we solve using brackets. Write difference of 18 and 6. Difference of 18 and 6 divided by 4. Divided by 4. 18 और 6 के अंतर को 4 से भाग देना है. So we can write 18 minus 6 and divided by 4. So we write as 18 minus 6 divided by 4. डिफरेंस ऑफ 18 एंड 6 माने 18 और 6 के अंतर को 4 से भाग देना। तो 18 और 6 के अंतर को हम लिख सकते हैं 18 घटा 6 18 माइनस 6 एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय 4 भागा 4 लिख सकते हैं। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 सम ऑफ 9 एंड 2 is multiplied by 4. So using brackets we write 4 into 9 plus 2. Similarly, question number 3. Similarly, question number 3, 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 3 and 2. This is a statement of question number 3. 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 45, so we can write 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. So we can write 3 into sum of 3 and 2, 3 plus 2. For this statement, we can use using brackets, we can write such as 45 divided by 3 into 3 plus 2. And question number 4, sum of 49 and 51 divided by 10. Sum of 49 and 31 and sum of 49 and 51 divided by 10. Divided by 10. 49 और 50 के योगफल को 10 से भाग देना है। The statement says that sum of 49 and 51 divided by 10. For this statement, we write using brackets sum of 49 and 51. 49 plus 51 divided by 10. For this statement, we can write using brackets 49 plus 51 sum of 49 and 51 divided by 10. So for this statement, we can write 41 plus 51. Similarly, you solve all problems of exercise 1.5. Statements are given and we can solve using brackets. We can solve in this way. There are there are only 9 questions in this exercise, and 4 questions of this exercise have been solved in this class. So I hope that you can solve all the questions, and in the next class I will solve your problem. Thank you. Jai Hind. I'm sorry.